Franny and Phoebe would be fun. I don't know what your mother's doing.
She's got my expression.
Oh boy. Well, I have a surprise for you. I don't know if you're going to like this, Liz.
Alright.
We're not going to go to Montauk today.
Why?
Well, I thought instead we would jump on an airplane and go to Disney.
What?
What do you think?
What?
Should we do that? What do you think? What do you think? Should we do it? Should we go?
Are you kidding?
I'm not kidding you!
Oh, wait, and one other question. Are we gonna go to get Mentos, a pack of Mentos?
We will get you some Mentos at the airport.
Come on.
But what do you think? We're going right now to the airport. I have your bag packed. We're going to go to Disney. What do you think about that? Is that worth it? Yeah? What are you most excited about?
Going on a Splash Mountain.
Yeah, Splash Mountain. That's awesome.
Who's
Oh,
coming?
don't do that. You need your, it's you and me, baby.
And Grammy?
No, Grammy's just taking us to the airport.
And you're sitting back here with me?
No, I got to drive the car.
Why?
But I'll sit next to you in the airplane.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah!
Yay! Is that a good surprise?
Yeah!
All right.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Hurry up!
What do you think? Is that better than...